Xacus is a producer of men's and women's shirts, in business since 1956. It exports to about 40 countries. However, the domestic market is the main market. Our customers range from department stores to specialty stores, meaning shops, through to end users, meaning consumers themselves through our e-commerce. How did we used to handle things? Well, we had conventional warehouses, which took up a great deal of room. They cost us lots more in terms of the kilometers staff had to cover to go and collect individual items. We used to look at the article, model and size of the shirt we needed, take the sheet and the order and go and collect shirts one by one. Now we have Modula. I don't have to go walking around the warehouses anymore. Instead, the machine brings the shirts to me. The convenience is that well before I had to go around the warehouse to collect shirts. Now, if I have the same shirt for several customers, now with Modula I can collect 2, 3 or 4 shirts all of the same article, model and size, already subdivided by the customers who requested them. With the laser pointer, I can see exactly which garments I need to collect. And depending on the machine, which may be green or red, there is a corresponding put a light, red or green indicator light. And depending on the machine, whether it's green or red, I know exactly where to put the garment. This lets me prepare 12 orders at the same time. Then we applied the system. With a machine, we are now doubling in size, an even larger machine for management of accessory material, actually semi-finished products. In the past, it would have taken square meters of space and the usual kilometers of walking to manage a warehouse of this kind. E-commerce is a growing business for us. In our case, for our type of article. This was definitely a great choice, since everything is allocated. All the articles are neatly allocated in the Modula, which knows what is inside it, naturally interfaced with the ERP softwares we have, and automatically. From receipt of the order passes, travels through and goes straight to the automatic warehouse. We were very worried because when you entrust the management of processes and procedures to a system, and that includes everything you have, obviously the system's reliability becomes absolutely essential. I have to congratulate them because in fact, at least so far, the system has always been perfect, and the staff who use it are delighted with it.